Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Back to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to try to bypass passcode devices. It's bypass before some tools, I don't know, but I will show you how to work. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to bypass passcode with call supported. If not bypass before with any tools, then you can bypass with call supported. If your device is already bypass or carrier lock, so do not work sync. Okay, if already work SIM card, then will work SIM card. So now I'm going to show you how to work. So first, today I'm going to show you how to work with rkeytools A13s. So you need to download tool. I will show you step by step. First, you need to download this tool from website. Okay, as you can see, I just download. And unzip. Must extract after download, because more people after download do not extract, so will not working. And need to disable antivirus. Okay, real-time protection need to disable. Okay, so now as you can see, I need to open this one. So before open, I need to switch off. Okay, so also need repo tool like that, also you can buy from online. So now I'm going to show you how to work step by step. So first you need to open this one, and this rkeytools totally automatic system. Okay, if any update, if any error, automatically fix. Okay, so wait and see. Wait, sometimes will automatically download files, then you can work. So I need to wait sometimes after download some files, then I can work. So maybe I think already download. Okay, open. So if not open, some country need to use VPN. So now I need to connect this one normal cable, then power button and connect. Wait sometimes. I just connect this one. Okay, as you can see here, not showing and now showing like that. Now need to active this ECID from website. Copy this one and go to scanetool.com and log in your account. Click here. This is the access. So you need to download. You need to visit bestofunlock.com or scanetool.com and group and select service. Now select model, and as you can see, don't select wrong model, will no working. Okay, paste and order. If your device is already activate, will automatically reset, and this file totally save server, no have any problem future, I hope. Click here and activate. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to work. Now press bypass passcode, just only one button. Okay, so click here. Now as you can see, so this tool totally automatic. Okay, now I need to press volume down plus power button and start button. Click. Okay, start. Now release power button. Now as you can see, now waiting for this and no need to press anything. This tool totally automatic system, totally automatically working. Okay, just connect like that and connect. Okay, now as you can see, please connect your devices in port DFE mode. Okay, successful. Now disconnect and connect. This is a automatically working. So this tool very good for us because it's a working automatic system. Do not press anything, just connect and follow this step. After connect this one and remove and put here again, so will automatically working. So now here now download one files ramdisk plus 130 megabyte files for in your computer. So now I'm going to show you how to work. Okay, so now no need this one. Okay, so I just wait for download. Need sometimes maybe 5 to 10 minutes for downloads. After download I will show you. This is a bypass devices. Okay, I just show you how to work. Okay, if not working, no problem for us. I just guide how to work. So if any problem, we'll fix. But passcode device is 100% working. Okay, click here. Now press. Click instant. As you can see, sending files. Now uploading activation files. Now click OK. Okay. Errors. I mean this is totally automatic system. No have any problem. Now as you can see, after it was normal mode, so now I need to disconnect. Now again connect recovery mode. Okay, and press power button for recovery mode. Wait and see. Okay, as you can see, need to close and again open. Click next. Now need to click now click start. Press volume down plus power button. Now release power button. Now wait for connect dongle. I just connect this one. Now need to connect. Okay, now please connect your devices to port USB. So now connect here. Okay, it's automatically working. Okay, do not take any tension. No preparation. Signing firmware. Downloading board logo. Sending ramdisk files. Wait for device boot. Connect bashes. Mounting. Restore data. Successful to bypass. Okay, now wait for run. As you can see,